All right, guys, welcome. You Can Fix Anything. You can see that this is just rotating. This PS5 controller is not, it's just rotating on its own. So we're going to try and fix it here. So in this controller, there was some liquid or something spilled into one of the the thumb pads. And what we're going to do here is use contact cleaner. This is made specifically for electrical contacts to get them back functioning, to get just remove whatever's there. So we're going to try squirting a bunch of that in there, and yeah, hopefully that will do what it takes, or be what it is, what it needs. All right. Okay, we're gonna spray that in there, get a bit in there, move it around, try and get it on the contact points. You can spray a lot in, it all evaporates, it doesn't leave any residue, so no danger of overspraying it. I'd make sure it's off though still, regardless. Don't want it to short something. Move that around, and we'll see if that makes a difference. Oh, turned it on. Oops. Oh, we're gonna let it dry.
Yep. Is there stuff we'd use it for?
Now you can see here that this is not rotating the screen anymore. So yeah, all you gotta do is just spray a bunch of contact cleaner in there, move it around a bit. I put it in the triggers too, makes it nice and soft. So anyway, there you go. If you find anything useful here, please like and subscribe.